The Pauline Brigger Award comprises a trophy and a cheque for rupees 5 lakhs. To present the award, can I request Mr. Shashank Manohar to come on stage, please? In 2014-15, this cricketer created history both as batsman and as captain. In the 2014-15 edition of the Border Gavaskar Trophy, scored 692 runs with 4 splendid centuries. He was in tremendous form in the shorter variety as well. One of his best performances, the 107 against Pakistan at the ICC Cricket World Cup 2015. At the end of the year, he led India to a famous Test series win in Sri Lanka. Winner of the Pauline Brigger Award for the second time, now India's Test match captain, ladies and gentlemen, Virat Kohli. Virat, you just need to stay on for a little longer. So thank you very much. I'll call you back in a little while. Virat, we saw lots in that audio visual at the start. It was a big year for you. Was there one that stands out at all?
I think from a team's point of view, I think a start is very important to something that you want to achieve. And I think what we were able to do in Australia as a squad was very, very special to me. Not just the way I performed, but the whole team. And the kind of cricket we played is something that is probably the most special time of my life till now, of my career, and probably will remain so. I hope we can better that, but to play with such heart and such passion, and I would like to compliment the whole team on that. To maintain that throughout the tour, I think was commendable, and that motivated me further to go out there and do what I can do best.
There's a couple of innings that stood out in that year, and I'd like you to tell us a little bit about the first one of those, the second innings in Adelaide. What was your thought when you were chasing such a big total? Because that was innings that not just won Indian hearts, but Australian hearts as well.
Well, yeah, I mean, it was, I'd heard before that when you play international cricket, you work hard, and then one odd day things just happen for you, and I think you prepare the same way for every innings, for every game, but some days you play as if you're possessed. And, I didn't have any thought process in my head. All I had was the target, which was 367, and that's all I had in my head, that, we want to achieve that. And I didn't pay attention to 50, 100, whatever I was on. I was just watching the ball and reacting, and probably, one of the better mindsets while batting that I've been in.
The World Cup was a big event for India, and you always have to start well. The start was a tough match. A century in that game, how special was that?
It was very special indeed, especially against Pakistan. It's always a massive game, especially the first game of the World Cup. After a tri-series that we didn't probably play very well in. And I remember waking up the morning before the game and doing my preparation, and I opened the room window in Adelaide, and I see this bridge that connects the ground to the hotel, and I saw about 3,000 people there, with their musical instruments and flags and whatnot, and that just hit me that I have to be in the stadium in 3 hours, playing in front of these people, and I just saw the frenzy there. But that's the fun of it. I challenged myself to go out there and do what I can do best for the team, and probably get big runs, and I was able to do that, and I was very happy with it.
You're going back to Australia, open those windows again, look at the crowd and score a lot of runs.
Well, I can't wait. Everyone's suited up. My shoes are shining. I can't wait to get on the flight.
Thank you very much, Virat. And wish you all the best and lots more in the year ahead.
Thank you so much.